Cotton candy pudding, only 2 ingredients. And done in a few minutes. For this recipe, we are going to add 75 grams of tutti frutti flavored gelatin to the blender. 450 ml of water. Very hot. And let's beat for about a minute. And guys, this dessert looks wonderful. It's super easy to make, very practical, very quick, and it's delicious. I'm sure you all will love it. I am now going to add 3 cups of powdered milk to the blender, and also 450 ml of very cold water, and beat for another minute. And people are already commenting to me, from which city you are watching us, that I will send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I am now going to grease a mold with oil. I'm using this type of shape here, but you can use whatever you like. Add our dessert. I'll put it in the fridge until firm. Okay, I've already said, I'll be unmolding and sprinkling powdered milk on top, which is to be more beautiful and more delicious. And folks, today I'm going to send a big hug to Mary from San Diego. Thank you so much for always commenting. And our dessert was ready, and it was very beautiful. In addition to being very beautiful, it was delicious. And it's super easy to do. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.